Hello students, in some last videos we have learned about the complementary angles, supplementary angles, adjacent angles. So today we are just overlooking that concept. First we will check these cases. Okay, I have made one table here. The first case is that two acute angles can make a pair of complementary angles or supplementary angles that we have to check. So, can we make the pair of complementary angles by using the two acute angles? Means if we are taking the two acute angles, can we make a pair of complementary angles? Yes, we can make a pair of complementary angles because acute means less than 90. So if we will take the two acute angles, suppose 70 and 20, then we can make a pair of complementary angles because 70 plus 20 is 90. So first case is satisfied for the complementary angles. Okay, but if we will take the two acute angles, then can we make a pair of supplementary angles? No, we can't make a pair of supplementary angles by using the two acute angles because for supplementary angles we need some 180 degree. So if you will take the two acute angles means less than 90, then it is not possible to make a summation as 180. So this condition is not satisfied here, or it is not possible for the supplementary angles. Now if we will take the two right angles, then can we make a pair of complementary angles? No, it is not possible because two right angles means 90 and 90. So their sum is 180. So it is not possible for the complementary angles because complementary angles are of 90 degree. So it is not possible. But if we take two right angles, then can we make a pair of supplementary angles? Yes, it is possible because two right angles means 90 and 90. So 180 is the possibility. So supplementary angles means 180 sum. That's why it is possible for the supplementary angles. If we take the two right angles, we can make a pair of supplementary angles. Now, third condition is that one acute and one obtuse angle. Okay, one acute and one obtuse. Obtuse means greater than 90 and our complementary angle sum is 90. So it is not possible. Okay, if we will take one obtuse angle, then it is not possible to make a pair of complementary angle. But if we take one acute and one obtuse, then can we make a pair of supplementary angles? Yes, we can make a pair of supplementary angles. For example, if I will take one acute means suppose 60 degree and one obtuse means suppose 120, then we can make sum as 180. So it is possible. So if we will take one acute angle and one obtuse angle, then we can make a pair of supplementary angles. These conditions we have to remember. Now let's learn another concept, that is opposite rays. The next concept is opposite rays. As we know that ray means one end is closed and another end can be extended. So this is a ray. Now we have to see opposite rays means what. Definition is that if there are two rays and there is one common origin between the two rays, and if they are making a straight line, then two rays are called as opposite rays. Okay, suppose I will draw here one more ray. Okay, I will give one name as O, A and OB. Okay, there are two rays OA and OB. There is one common origin. Okay, yes, there is a common origin, point O, and second condition is that form straight line. form straight line. Yes, they are making a straight line. So both conditions are satisfied here. That's why given two rays are opposite rays. I will repeat the definition. If there is a common origin and given two rays can form a straight line, then given two rays are called as opposite rays. Okay. Now, suppose I will draw a diagram like this. Suppose it is X, it is Y, Z, P, Q. Then which are the opposite rays in this figure? Ray XZ and XY, this is one pair. Ray XY and XZ is the first pair of opposite rays, and second pair is that ray XP and ray XQ is the another pair of opposite rays. But XQ and XZ are not opposite rays. Yes, there is one common origin. Yes, I agree. But they are not making a straight line. They are not making a straight line. That's why these two rays are not opposite rays. When both conditions will satisfy, then only given two rays are opposite rays. Okay, this is all about opposite rays. Now we will see one more concept here, that is linear pair angles. Linear pair angles. First I will tell the definition here. If there are two angles and there is a common arm between the given two angles and other arms are making a straight line, then that two angles are called as angles in a linear pair. Okay, I will explain the diagram. Suppose this is diagram. Here angle ABC and angle ABD are the angles in a linear pair because they have a common arm. They have a common arm and other arms are making a straight line. That's why these two angles are called as angles in a linear pair. And linear pair angles are always supplementary. Always supplementary. Because they are making a straight line here. So straight line means straight angle, and straight angle is always of 180 degree. So supplementary means 180 degree. So given two angles which are in the linear pair, they are always supplementary. All linear pair angles are supplementary, but all supplementary angles are not in a linear pair because supplementary angles sometimes may not be adjacent. Okay, that's why all supplementary angles are not in a linear pair, but all linear pair angles are supplementary. Okay, so this is all about the linear pair angles, opposite rays, and also we have checked some condition about complementary angles and supplementary angles. Thank you students for today's lecture. We will meet very soon.